Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, select Display and Brightness. Scroll all the way down and tap on Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, just tap on the best option for you and click on the back button, in my case, Standard. So when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my OnePlus has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!